Hey, good morning, YouTube. This is John with Space City EDC coming to you with a quick review on another buck knife. This is another one of their more budget-friendly knives. This one runs about $15 actually, and it's called the 379 Solo. It's a single blade clip point, made in China, as it tells you right here. It's made from 420 J2 steel. It is closed length of 3 inches or 7.6 centimeters and a weight of 0.9 ounces or 25.6 grams. It has a wood grain handle with nickel silver bolsters. So it says it's got a hardness resistance on the steel of RC 53 to 55 because of their heat treating process, and of course it's got the buck forever warranty. So let's open it up and see what we got. See if we can do this here. I might have to open the buck with a buck. I want to turn that the other way, huh? So we don't embarrass ourselves, cut myself. Well, that's going to take too long. Let's just do this. We'll just cut the knife out. I'm going to try to make it nice and neat, but it's taking too long, so let's go this route. There we go. That's a beautiful little trapper too. Just a review on this, but it's got some pretty wood grain. Pearl wood, they call it. But anyway, let's take a look at this Solo. Got some nice, like a little flat. I don't know if you can pick that up on camera, but right there on the sides here, it's got like a little flat right here by your buck emblem. Nice buck emblem sit there. It's embedded in the wood grain with the 3 rivets there that are nice and smooth. Bolsters are no distortion or no scratches. Everything looks like it was done well. Don't see a lot of separation in the back on the spring back design here on the spring. But yeah, let's open it up, see what we got. Little clip point blade. I don't know if you can pick that up there. 379, model number. Steel liner, looks like. There's no 90-degree detent. Got a good snap though. Pretty good pull on it. Yeah. Nice little knife. Be good for a 5th pocket. carry your pants. Keep it for opening packages and stuff. Do a better job than what I just did. Let's measure our blade and see what we got here. Got a cutting edge of right at just under 2 inches. Right there. And a full length blade of right at about almost 2 1/4. Total length on the little knife is open length. It's going to be right at about 5.5 inches. Thickness, maybe 3/8, possibly almost 1/4 inch. Yeah. And right at almost just under 1/2 inch in the width. A real nice small knife. But you can see compared to this other one, this is another buck, but a little trapper right there. Size comparison. Let me see if I can get something else. Here's another. Here's a Spitfire. So center that on the camera a little better. But I'm not a professional videographer, so please excuse me. But I'm just doing this for fun. So, but anyway, there's a, and I like to talk about knives. So there's a size comparison with some other buck knives. So it's a good 5th pocket knife, I bet. That's what I'm going to use it for. Keep it in my pocket for open packages and whatnot. And see how it goes. Anyway, this is the Buck 7379 Solo. Comes with the Buck warranty, forever warranty. You can probably order them online. I got this from a local retailer, but there you go. You can pick one up real cheap and have a nice little buck knife to keep in your pocket for little emergencies and whatnot. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little video. If you like this kind of content, please give us a like and subscribe, and come out with these videos from time to time, about once a week. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and see you on the next one.